Good morning everyone, this is Vaishnavi from Technical Days. We will update you on the Nifty as well as USD technical outlook. In previous trading session, index opened with an upward gap and buying momentum from opening tick led it to close near day's high. Nifty closed around 93.07 with gain of 39 points. On the daily chart, index has formed a bullish candle carrying a lower shadow indicating buying support at lower levels. Index continued to form higher top, higher bottom formation on the daily as well as on weekly chart indicating sustained uptrend. From current levels, the chart pattern indicates that if Nifty trade and sustains above 93.10 level, then it may witness further buying momentum towards 93.30 to 93.70 levels. From current levels, immediate intraday support zone is around 92.80 levels. At current levels, index is well placed above its 20-50 as a 100-day simple moving average, which supports bullish sentiment ahead. From current levels, any correction towards major support zone will remain as a buying opportunity for traders. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI as well as momentum indicator stochastic both have witnessed positive crossover and they are sustaining above their reference line indicating strength ahead. Some positive bias stock for the day are PNB, BPCL, Shriram Transport Finance, Godrej Industry and Asian Paint. Whereas some negative bias stock for the day are Just Dial and Petronet. Moving to the US dollar technical outlook, in previous trading session, US dollar opened on a flat note and it has witnessed selling pressure for most part of the trading session. It has closed with loss of 0.26%. On the daily chart, it has formed a sizable bearish candle forming lower high-low formation compared to previous session indicating further weakness. On the daily as well as on weekly chart, US dollar continued to form lower top, lower bottom formation indicating sustained downtrend. It is continued to sustain below its 20 as well as 50-day simple moving average which indicates further weakness. For the day, we expect USD to trade with negative bias and below 64.20 levels, it may witness further selling pressure towards 64 and 63.80 levels. On the higher end, 64.35 will act as an immediate intraday resistance zone. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI as well as momentum indicator stochastic both have witnessed negative crossover indicating selling may continue from current level. Thank you.